This might look like a grain of sand rolling uphill, but it's not. This is what the tiny device's creators call MANiAC, and it's actually a nanobot developed specifically to carry pharmaceuticals directly to the brain. So why is this important? Well, it's hard to treat central nervous system issues because of the blood-brain barrier, or tissue around the brain that protects it against anything that might be floating around in your bloodstream. But it also means drugs oftentimes have difficulty getting in there to do what they need to, and why those drugs often affect other unintended areas of the body as well, which is where the MANiAC, or the magnetically aligned nanorods and alginate capsule, comes in. It's a tiny robot that can be loaded up with a particular drug before delivering it through that barrier to only the parts of the brain that need it, all using magnetic stimulation to guide the little bot wherever it needs to go. And they've already tested it, rolling it around inside experimental rodent tissues. The researchers say there's still a lot of work to be done before this can be used in humans, but they add that the next step is attempting to deliver localized drugs experimentally.